Hello awesome people, I hope you guys are doing great. This is here Victor from Wearview, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how you can create outfit combinations with the help of AI. Now I know how important it is, being a clothing brand's manager, or if you are an owner of a clothing brand and you are selling your clothing items in across internet, like in your website or in your web store. I know how important it is to create great looking images for your items that you're trying to sell. Now for this video I'll be teaching you for multiple items. Maybe you have a t-shirt, you have a pant, as well as you have a pair of sneakers that you want your AI model to wear. You have been searching across the internet like how you can just do that, how you can combine all of that. There are tools like image generating tools available, but you have to prompt them right. If your prompt is not right, then you will get some mixed results, and the final output won't be as good as you might think. But I have this tool which is Wearview, in which you will upload all these three items that you're trying to sell. For example, for this video, for me, I have this trouser, or for this t-shirt, and then I have the trouser, and along with that I have the a pair of sneakers, and then I'll combine all of them and a model will be wearing. I'll choose the model and they will be wearing our dress. Let it be man as well as a woman. So without any further delay, let's hop into today's video. So first, what I want you guys to do is go ahead to wearview.co. And then once you visit there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. Once that is done, go ahead and click on the Try It Now button. Now, as we have, outfit combinations, what we will be doing for this video for our multiple outfit combinations, we'll use AI product to model, because in this feature we can upload multiple combination of dressing items that we can choose, and also we can make our model wear it. So if you don't know what all things or what all items it supports, like Wearview supports, click on see what works, and it will show you what all things work. It supports with dresses, t-shirt, bags, shoes, hats, shades, and skirts. And also make sure to upload images that are really simple. Don't upload images with a complicated background. Just don't do that. Once you are done with it, I'll click on the add image button, and I'll choose my t-shirt, and then I'll choose my trouser or my pants, and then I will choose my white shoes. If you want, you can also, if you have, hats and shades and stuff like that, you can go ahead and use it here. But for me, I have these three combination, and I'll click on the next button. Now you'll have to choose your model. If you have your very own model, then click on the choose file button and then select your model. If you don't have one, then don't worry. Click on the My Models section and then go to Model Library. Here we have a huge collection of women as well as men, AI models. They look really nice. For this video, let's choose a man model for all this combination of dresses that I have. I'll choose Emre, a Turkish model. So I'll just I hope I didn't destroy his name, but I'll use this AI model and click on the next button. Thank God he is an AI model. He doesn't have feelings. So yeah, now you will have to describe your model. It's an optional setting. If you want, you can just go ahead. There is an example, or if you want, you can click on the prompt tips, and here you can copy from our preset or like prompts we have already generated for you. You can just copy and paste it over here. If you want, you can just enhance it with the help of AI, but as this is an optional feature, so I'll just skip it. For quality, if you're really serious about your business, or if you're serious about your clothing brand, then of course 4K is hands down the best option for you. But I'll choose the recommended setting that Wearview recommends, but also the quality is really nice. For number of images, I'll choose 1, and for aspect ratio, which is the aspect ratio of the photo, I'll choose 9:16, which is a vertical one. As we have trousers as well as shirt as well as shoes, so I'll choose a vertical aspect ratio, and then click on the generate button. Now this will take around like 30 to 40 seconds depending on the complexity of the dress that you have selected, but it will take around like mostly 30 to 40 seconds. So I won't keep you guys waiting. I'll resume the video once the generation completes. All right, guys, so as you can see, our model is here wearing the t-shirt, the pants, as well as the shoes that we have selected, and it looks really good on him. By any chance, if there are some artifacts in your image, maybe there is something in the background, maybe from your garments that you have just chosen, then go ahead and click on the refine button, and then you can choose remove background distractions, or maybe you want a clean white background, you can do that as well. Enhance colors, your creativity is the limit here, so you can go ahead and do that. We have also an option to flip the image horizontally if you want. By any chance, this is a single image that you have generated. If you want, you can also create multiple poses for the same model with the help of AI pose control. All these images that you're looking at right now has been controlled or has been generated with AI pose control. But as you can see, guys, if you have outfit combinations, you can just do that and upload it in the AI product to model feature or Wearview. And if you have multiple garments or multiple clothing that you want an AI to wear, you can just do that with a few clicks, and this is how easily you can do that. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. This is Victor. I hope you really like this video. If this is the first time you're watching, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any feature requests or if you have any doubts or anything as such, then please let me know in the comment box down below. That's pretty much it. This is your Victor signing out, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.